All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So I just wanted to make this video because I want to get back to you guys as always. So this is the 8,000 subscriber giveaway. And before I waste any more of your time, I just want to say this will be for the Cash App / Square Cash app. And then I will also include PayPal in this giveaway because a lot of you have been asking. But those are the only two type of electronic money apps that I have. I don't have Venmo or anything like that, so don't ask, sorry. But I will do PayPal and the Cash App. So anyways, let's go ahead and get to the rules, but I just want to say thank you as always for the subscribers, for subscribing. Thank you for the support. It means the world to me that you guys support me day in and day out, and everyone on the notification gang. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the rules for you to be qualified. There's going to be 4 simple rules. Number 1, be subscribed. I want to get back to my subscribers. Most of you have been subscribed for a long time, but if not, it takes literally half a second. Number 2, drop a like on the video. Number 3, make sure you have the Square Cash or Cash App or PayPal so that you can be entered. So yeah, anyways, number 4, but also still on number 3, you can use my referral code to sign up for the Cash App if you don't have it already, and some of you have done that and I really appreciate that. Number 4, lastly, make sure to leave 1 comment only with your money tag. If you're using Cash App or if you're using PayPal, drop your email address for your PayPal, and make sure to include the $sign if you're doing the Cash App money tag. And then part B is only, like I said, only drop 1 comment. Multiple comments equals disqualification. Yes, I do check. I do delete a lot of comments, and there are a lot of spammers that will jump on this video. So if someone responds to you to your comment, don't reply back to them because that will disqualify you. So anyways, I'll go through at the end and delete all the spam comments and stuff like that. But anyways, the giveaway will end on August 5th, 1 week from now, and I will write the time that it ends, probably around like 6 p.m. or something like that, but check the comments below and it'll also be in the title of the video. So anyways, be around then on August 5th. So anyways, thank you guys so much for the support as always, once again, and that should do it. This used to be like a giveaway for tools and stuff like that, but because of the cost of shipping and all that stuff and running to the store and shipping and stuff like that, it's just easier to do the cash giveaway. But this is originally for people to buy tools and stuff like that that are getting into the electrical trade. So anyways, that's the little bit of history of the giveaway. But anyways, guys, thank you so much. As always, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe in general, but especially for this video, for the giveaway. Check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thank you guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.